The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla day here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Just letting you know about some things that happened within the country of Jamaica, alright? So brace yourself. So I saw more than one pieces of videos circulating on social media that shows law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica. In at least one of those pieces of videos that I saw on social media, I saw where law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica fired shots. Now, according to unconfirmed information that I got, allegedly it is said that those pieces of videos have been recorded within the parish that is known as Trelawney, that's within the country of Jamaica. And according to more unconfirmed information that I got, it is said that a funeral was being held within the area on that day. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present one of those videos to you that I saw on social media so that you can have a better understanding about those videos that I saw on social media and about the situation. But before I present the video to you, I want you to please bear in mind that in this video, you're going to hear when shots fired. So viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Now, viewers and subscribers, I did not get any confirmed information as to what really happened or why those police officers fired shots. However, you can check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let you know what I know when I get any information about that whole situation or those pieces of videos. Alright, so now that me let you know about those pieces of videos, I'm going to move on to another topic. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I got information that a police says that a witness pointed out where a gang's alleged burial site is at. Yes, according to information that I got, it is said that chief investigator in the Klansman 1 Dan gang trial or case on the 6th of December the year 2021 testified that an ex-member of the gang told him that at least 5 persons were buried at the gang's alleged burial site. And the alleged burial site is said to be within a place that is known as Waterloo Lane, that's within Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Jamaica. See it? So, according to more information that I got, it is said that under cross-examination in the Home Circuit Court, he said that he was also told by the ex-gangster, who now turned prosecution witness, that 2 men from Denham Town in Kingston, Jamaica were reportedly murdered and buried at the site by members of the gang. See it? And according to more information that I got, it is said that the burial site was found by the police within the country of Jamaica on June 2020, and skeleton remains were found at the burial site. Is it? Yeah, so it is said that the investigator had previously testified that the ex-gangster had shown him the site and that the police have found bones there. But it is said that during questions from defense counsel, he told the court that he did not ascertain if bones belong to any of those missing persons. See? I also got information that the same investigator said that the witness or the person handed over guns to him, and one of them gun there is said to be a rifle and the other one is said to be a shotgun. And it is said that he also testified that he had accompanied the witness to Jones Avenue in Spanish Town, posing as the witness' cousin, to collect the handgun, which was bought for the gang for about 150,000. Now, other things that been said about that whole case right there, viewers and subscribers. So me I say, but me just make you know what go on when it comes on to that, you see me? Yeah, I'm gonna move on to another topic, just to make you know about some things that happen within the country of Jamaica. Alright? So I got information that a 6-year-old child was shot and killed within central Kingston, Jamaica on Monday, the 6th of December, the year 2021. According to information that I got, it is said that the child had been identified as Timora McCallum, and according to reports, it is said that the child was at a premises on Tex Lane, that is within Kingston, Jamaica, and it is said that a man was toying with a gun. Some people might say he did a play with the gun. It is said that the gun reportedly went off and hit the child, and it is said that the injured child had been rushed to a hospital where she was pronounced dead. It is said that the accused man fled the scene of the incident, and I got information that the police was searching for the accused man. Then I got information that a 60-year-old man had been taken into police custody as a suspect in the shooting death of the 6-year-old child. Alright, viewers and subscribers, just to let you know about that, and it's really sad, so you can let me know what you think about that situation. I'm going to move on to another topic. Alright, now my people, this is an update about a previous video that I posted. Now, in the previous video that I posted, a female said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that someone told her that she had a fake 5,000 Jamaican dollars in her possession, or a counterfeit money in her possession. Now, if any of you don't see that video, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and if you click that link will take you to the previous video that I posted. So I got information that the Bank of Jamaica is advising the public that there is a $5,000 commemorative banknote in celebration of Jamaica 50 years of political independence is currently in circulation. Notice me use the word currently, Yeah, I got information that the banknote was first issued in July 2012 and has created confusion in the market. Some persons have reported experiencing difficulty spending the money or conducting transactions and so forth. So me answer, so it's like the Bank of Jamaica are trying to make persons know that there is a commemorative $5,000 banknote in circulation within the country of Jamaica, right? It's as similar to the standard $5,000 banknote. There are some difference in appearance. See? Nevertheless, both versions are genuine and acceptable for all transactions as legal tender. So basically, it's like them make you know say it legal. You see me? So I know me say so, right? I know me say so. Yeah, me just make it be known. All right, now here are pictures of the banknotes that are said to be legal. So viewers and subscribers, the money that the woman did a show in the video and said that someone told her that the money no good. Well, viewers and subscribers, according to these information that I got, the money basically is okay. It's just that it was a commemorative money that she have for Jamaica 58 years of political independence and so forth. Alright, so I hope so that this video will bring some form of understanding as to what go on. Big up and respect to each and every one, and let me know what you think about everything that I talked about in this video. Alright, yeah, Veronica, big up yourself, is it? Yeah, Skilla Nation, big up on yourself. Alright, until the next time, my name is Dancehall, Skilla, on a big up, is it?